Dad,
What?
I got a B plus on my science experiment. Isn't that great?
Next time, make it an A.
What? What is it?
Leave me alone. Ouch!
Boys, what is it? What is it now? Nah, these people are my friends. What do you want me to do when they tell me they're going to pay at the end of the month and they don't? Kill them. All hail me supreme and proper. Looking down at me from her majestic nose. Nonsense. Who cannot be together and organize with the aid of hired help?
Polycarp, did you tamper with any of these things while you were cleaning up?
Not at all, sir. I haven't even been in here yet today, sir.
That's what you always say. So you mean to tell me that this TV just developed hands and legs and got spoiled on its own?
Polycarp has been with us since forever. And it's only recently that we've been having issues of trust. And even with the quote-unquote evidence, I still find a lot of things strange. Please, give me the address of the man that's fixing the split unit and the deep freezer. I mean, that's another person that's being dodgy. I mean, it's been 2 weeks now. Why is everybody behaving funny all of a sudden? Have you been to check on him?
I did 2 days ago. He hasn't even started anything yet. Can you believe that?
Please give me the address. Maybe I should give him a piece of my mind. I haven't been able to bulk buy meat and stuff because there's nowhere to store them.
There's absolutely no need for that, Jumai. You don't need to worry yourself over these tiny details. Maintenance is my field, you know? You just keep running a tight ship like you've been doing very well and mind the kids. Talking about the kids, there was some stuff I was supposed to discuss with Didi. Did you help him out?
Yes, I did. But I think he was secretly disappointed. He kept hoping you'd come back on time so you could go over it with him. Look, baby, all Didi wants is some attention and approval from you.
You see, I was out the door when the chairman called for a meeting of all the departmental heads. There was some emergency with our foreign partners, that's all.
What a shame. But you could have called. Look, sweetheart, Didi only wants your attention and approval.
Listen, let's not get over this again, okay? I do what I can when I can.
Sweetheart, I know you do. Listen, I know you do. Let me give you a back rub. I'm sure you'll feel better. Why don't you take this off?
Yeah.
Do you think I should talk to him?
Talk with whom?
Polycarp. Find out what's going on.
Oh, don't worry, don't worry. You see, people go through phases in life. He's probably going through one right now. He'll definitely get over it. He's a good guy.
Okay, if you say so.
Come here.
This boy harasses me even in his sleep.
I don't see why I should share my bed with another man.
Oh, come on, dear. You know the reason he sleeps here? Because I don't want him to leave me.
You've been saying that for the past 3 years. I wonder whether he contributed to the paying of your dowry.
He probably did.
Really? Considering the fact that he wasn't even born at that time, I don't see how that is possible. Anyway, you guys should enjoy yourselves, okay? One day, I will have my wife, my room, all to myself. So enjoy
My
that.
husband.
Major.
Here, have another piece.
No, I don't. I'm even tired. Yeah. Okay. Was it what you wanted?
Oh, perfect.
Good. So, how did your day go? And your debt redemption, how was it?
You won't believe it. Everybody had a story. Only one person gave me something. And even that was a post-dated check.
Sorry, but I don't want to say I told you so.
Then don't.
Come off it now. Anyway, so when are you traveling? Nene, you're sulking.
I'm not sulking.
You're sulking. I'm seeing your face.
I said I'm not sulking.
So why are you not talking to me?
When you're talking as if I'm not a serious businesswoman.
I said nothing of the sort.
Well, you implied it.
Wifey, I know exactly what you're trying to do. You're trying to start a quarrel, Abby, so that you will not fulfill your wifely obligations.
Leave it, just leave it. Ah, God. Okay, what am I going to do about this boy?
Look, it's not going to work. Anyway, when are you traveling?
Oh, by the end of the month.
Okay, I'll tell you what we'll do. How much money do you need?
Well, I have enough to restock, but I still need a little to cover my travel expenses.
I tell you what, I will give you enough money to cover your travel expenses, okay? And we'll call it a soft loan, payable if and when those that are owing you pay back.
Nah, you're too good to me. Thank you.
Now, move closer and show me exactly how grateful you are. Oh, what's all this now? This thing won't work. Oh. I'm telling you, it just won't work. Just find a way. We or no we let him stay in his room. I don't like this now.
Good afternoon, Polaka.
Good afternoon. How are you?
We are going outside to play football and we want them Didi to come too.
Yes, where's Sam?
Just a moment, young man.
Thank you,
I'll
sir.
go and get them.
Yes, sir.
If you guys are not going to play fair, there's no point Kana and I coming to play. Yes.
Oh, stop whining like a sissy.
DD, make sure you are back upstairs by 6 o'clock.
Okay, Polycarp.
You have me worried. What happened?
Sorry, baby, I really had it.
So, what happened?
First, it was a day of endless meetings. Last one ended by 9:30 p.m. at the chairman's house in Acha. Impromptu, of course. By the time we were done, getting out of that place was tedious. The traffic was horrendous.
Sorry, dear.
That's not even the worst of it all.
What else happened?
The bleeding car broke down.
Oh dear. That's tragic. Isn't that car just 3 months old?
That's what the dealer said.
Where did this happen? How did you cope?
Well, I had to get some people to help me push the car to a place, and I saw one of them. Finally, I saw one of these security men working for some company close by who now allowed me to park the car in the residence till morning. By the time we were done, it was after 11. Leaving that kind of place at that time, looking for a taxi was very, very risky. I didn't even bother taking a taxi.
Wow. Thank goodness you didn't. So, what did you do?
I took a bike from there to Ikoyi Hotel.
You, Isa Nyo, on a bike. That picture will be worth $1 million.
So, that's what you're going to tell me, yeah?
Oh, poor baby. I'm sorry, dear. Maybe a hot shower later.
No, don't worry. I'm too weak to even move. In fact, all I need now is sleep.
What about something to eat?
No. Not really, baby.
For sure?
All I need is sleep.
So, how will you get to work tomorrow? Do you need me to give you a ride?
No. You just help me take the kids to school. I'll find my way later.
Are you sure? It's no problem.
I'm sure.
Okay. Once you are.
Mommy, I can't find my vest.
Well, look in the vest bag.
I have. There's no vest there.
It's a lie, Mommy. Maybe you did not even check.
Oh yeah, look for a vest for him.
Why do I have to look for a vest for him? Why do I have to do everything for him?
Because you're his older brother, that's why. And you have to look out for him.
He's old enough to take care of his own self.
Look, Ebube, I realize I'm not in the mood for an argument right now. Just do as I say.
Oh.
As for you, young man, you really have to start showing your older brother some respect. You're not a baby anymore. The two of you have to start being nice to one another because all you have is each other.
Aren't the boys dressed yet? We'll be late at this rate.
Now, please come and help me supervise these children while I prepare breakfast.
Okay, I see you are almost ready. Where's your shirt? Okay. There. Let's stand up. Put your hand in like that. And we'll wear this one too. And there you go.
What is this? I really think I should start thinking about getting a house help. But where does one find a good and faithful person in this day and age? Once you begin to treat them like human beings, they begin to behave like animals. Still a paradox to me. Lord knows that this open worker. Anytime she's around, everything is always under control. Obiamaka, my sister the firebrand. I only hope she cools down enough to get a man to marry her.
And where is my wife talking to herself again?
Nah, see why? I'm really thinking about getting a housemaid. There's always so much to do and I'm swamped all the time.
But you know I have nothing against having a housemaid.
See why? What exactly do you mean?
Nothing, oh. Nothing. Should I ask Mama to send someone?
No thank you. That will not be necessary. I can find one here. I don't want Mama sending someone from the village with specific instructions to become wife number 2.
Seriously. Why don't you ask the woman next door, Mrs. Sunyo, about the arrangement with that polycarp chap? It seems to be working out okay.
Why should I have to ask that woman anything? I can find the house help by myself, thank you very much.
Don't bite my head off. After all, I was only trying to help. Anyway, you just do what you think is best. And I'll back you up all the way.
So now you are leaving the burden to me.
Hey, women. Anyway, what are the children having for breakfast?
Vita bits.
Hey, young man, that's my woman.
She's my woman too.
No, this is my wife. You go and look for your own woman, okay?
No, she's my mommy for now.
See your son. Okay.
Okay, can I go and sit down and do your breakfast?
Okay. Let's get water out this one. Where's your brother?
So, where are you headed first?
I'll catch a cab to the office, probably get some guys to help me transfer the vehicle to the mechanics piece.
Are you sure you don't want to ride?
I'm sure. You just go ahead and drop the kids.
Okay. Call me later, let me know how it's going.
Yeah, maybe we'll do it. Oh, gentlemen.
Sorry, Dad.
The one will drop you off, okay?
Oh, Dad, you always drop her at school. How come you aren't taking us today?
My car got spoiled last night. I even have to get a taxi.
Can't you ride with you?
Your mom will drop you off today and every other day until the car is fixed.
Yippee! I like riding with Mom.
Oh, darling.
Lucky you then. Gentlemen, I will have to go. I have a very long day ahead.
Sam, it's time to wash up for dinner.
Okay, Polycarp.
Yeah, we might as well go.